this next activity, what we're going to do is we're going to take the hummingbird that you created in the last one, which is a piece of art by itself, but now let's take that and build upon it. And so now we're going to take the hummingbird and we're going to build flowers beside it in order to create kind of a composition. And I never gave you any theory on composition, but pretty well you have to make sure you understand what your focal point is in a drawing, and then try to make your colors match so composition works well together. You can't have a very warm colored bird and then have the flower all in colors that don't tie the two elements together, otherwise you're going to look like a broken piece of art. You want to combine the two of them together. So this is adding a flower to the hummingbird, and you'll notice that I have done a couple of different flowers just to see what it would look like.
Thank you for watching the Drawing Digitally video. Don't forget to comment, suggest, and subscribe.